I don't think anybody anticipated such a strong up move on the first day of this new, very eventful week. Fed speak, budget, so too many events, but a brilliant start, led principally by Reliance Industries in terms of points contribution, with the big boy clocking in the best gain in maybe 20 months. It hasn't moved at all for such a long time that when Reliance made such a big move, people would take notice. But it was, yes, in terms of point contribution, it was Reliance, but in terms of overall sentiment, there was a lot beyond Reliance. ONGC amongst the top gainers, up about 8%, coupled with Oil India. GAIL had a very good set of numbers, and I think that too did really well in the quarter, so or in the day today. So that was one such name with a great move. Then you had the Adani Group stocks. Adani Energy, by virtue of the Cantor Fitzgerald report, was up about 5% or thereabouts. Adani Ports had a gain. Adani Green post results, Adani Power post results had a good move too. So that bucket of stocks did decently well for itself too. HDFC Bank up about 1.5%, and it contributes about 18-20 points, not too much, but point being that HDFC Bank not contributing at the downside is a big deal as well. And there were not too many losers. There was a Cipla, there was an ITC, but not too many heavyweights participating on the downside. Broader end of the spectrum too. One, the power names, as is their wont, come back on every good day, right from PFC, REC, to SJVN, to Inox and Inox Wind, to NTPC. You had almost all the power names come up. You had infra names come up, from IRB to NCC, some very strong moves for that bucket of stocks as well, and some very strong result reactions from Shakti Pumps to Zen Technologies to Shriram Finance, on which brokerages have a consensus uptick. So by and large, you could see that there was this sense of optimism which was not accounted for at the start of the trading day. Could the election results or the Bihar play have to do something with it? Maybe. Not too many people thought so, but who knows? A clutch of things, including the fact that oil upstream did so well, leading the markets to have a really strong day. Let's see if we have a bit of a continuation in tomorrow's trade.